Did you know there's an indoor playground in Storybook Circus? It's pretty cool. Let me show you. So there's a whole indoor playground for the kids to climb on. And they gotta climb all the way up. So there's even a Dumbo flying around the big top in here. So there's an area for bigger kids. And then there's also another area for little kids. So there's a little slide they can go down and something they can jump on.
Wait, sit down, dude.
So
sit down.
It's a really cool indoor place that you can take your kids. Escape the heat. You can do this while you wait for Dumbo. So you go into the Dumbo line and then you can turn off in here and then you rejoin the queue to go for Dumbo. So if it is busy, they give you a pager and you can wait in here for your time, but because there is not that long of a wait, you can just come in and play for as long as you'd like and then rejoin the line here. Or if you don't want to rejoin the line, there are doors that you can exit out over here and leave if you don't want to go on Dumbo. So there's all kinds of places for big kids. They can climb in, there's slides. So it says it's for ages 4 to 8 to climb up there. Then the little kids area also has, they can play on that. They can play in the car. Go Waylon, go! Are you gonna drive? Okay. The cool part about this indoor playground is that it is indoor and it is air conditioned and it is really nice. So now we played, the kids got some sillies out, and now we're gonna pretty much just walk onto Dumbo.
Stand up, buddy.
If you like this video, and smash the subscribe button. We love you guys so much, and always you are with it. Bye guys. Bye.